One of the most powerful ways to increase your business is to have a powerful guarantee. No one talks about how powerful it is and how to create one, so let's do that today. Hi, my name is Eduardo. I'm a business coach and consultant. I've been doing this for 33 years. This is what I know I've learned, and I think you can benefit from it. The sole purpose of a guarantee is to decrease or eliminate the risk to the customer for purchasing the service or product that you are selling. A good guarantee eliminates the risk to your clients and therefore increases your business. So how do we do one? How do we make it a powerful one? I'm going to use my own industry and my own guarantee to illustrate this to you. And then I'm going to give you the 3 elements at the end of how to actually do this for your own business. So let me start by giving you 3 that I think are the very best guarantees in my business consulting industry. And I'm going to give you the competitors' names as well, just so that you can compare first with mine. Growth Wheel International, they guarantee clients see measurable growth or improvement within the first 90 days, or they will continue working without charge until the results are completed and achieved. Now, this is a great guarantee for clients. Now, example number 2. The Tandem Consulting Group offers a 100% satisfaction guarantee, allowing clients to terminate their agreement within 30 days if not fully satisfied without being billed. Another great example of a great guarantee. Now, the third example of a great guarantee is Blue Ocean Consulting. Now, their guarantee states that fees are based on reaching specific milestones such as increased revenues or cost savings set in collaboration with the client themselves. Again, this is a great guarantee. All 3 of the top competitors in my industry here have, and these are the best guarantees in the industry. And the reason why I know that is because I did a lot of research on the best business consulting companies and what they have to offer in terms of a guarantee. Now, you have to do the same for your own industry when you are creating the best guarantee for yourself that is better than everyone else's. Now, let's look at my own guarantee, and you tell me which one is the best one in the industry. I personally think that it's mine, but I want your opinion. It has 3 components, and it is an absolute no-risk guarantee. Only pay for the results we deliver specifically tied to a portion of your cost savings or revenue increases so that your investment scales directly with the value gained from us. That means that there is no upfront cost, so you're only paying for results, period. We also have a milestone-based payments, which we establish clear predefined goals and payments that are made only after each milestone is met. So they are time-defined results. If predetermined results are not achieved within an agreed specified amount of time, then the payments are paused, but the consulting continues until we achieve those results for you. Now, that's the most powerful guarantee that I know in this industry, period. Now, there are 3 elements in my guarantee that makes it the world's leading guarantee in the business consulting industry, which is time, delivery, and the price. So by taking all 3 elements and just reducing that risk to the client, that makes it so powerful. Because if you notice with the other guarantees, even though they're amazing guarantees, they usually have 1 or 2 elements in there. Notice that I took the risk of money out of the equation. So what I did, and you should also think about it too, is to have all 3 elements in your guarantee, is that the price. You notice that if you are truly skeptical about business consulting and you don't think that you're going to get results, then you know what? Then you do a results only agreement, where we specify exactly what we're going to do for you, and then what happens is that you're only paying for those results specified and agreed with you. And unless we achieve it, we take on all of the risk. so that it really becomes a no-risk guarantee for the client. So try to do that for yourself. Next, you'll notice that the next portion, which is a results or milestones payment system, which means that, you know what, you're only paying again for the results that we are achieving for you within a specified amount of time. And if we don't do that, then we are going to be working for free, because we're going to be pausing the payments. And that makes it incredibly powerful again. So, and because we have a time component in it, you know what? Everyone wins, because we're on the hook. We take that risk. Taking the risk out of the customer purchase is one of the most powerful ways that you can increase business sales and growth for your own business. So I hope that this is helpful. And if it is, please follow me. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow.